Last night's hail causing a lot of headaches all over Minnesota, and we saw it right here in our own parking lot at Fox 9. Cars with deep dents, smashed windows, all of it from a barrage of what Chief Meteorologist Ian Leonard calls golf ball-sized hail. In fact, there were some parts of the state that saw even larger sizes. And a trail of dents and broken glass left all over the metro and beyond. So if you got nailed, what's next? Here with some step-by-step instructions, Troy Thompson, owner of Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota. Troy, thanks so much because we know you're busy today. Let's start with someone's house. Are there ways to tell if your roof may have been damaged without actually climbing up there?
Yes, there are. There's ways to assess that damage, and the way to do that is just to get outside, take a walk around your house, look at the metals like the fascia, the downspouts. If you have a car out there, if there's dents on that, you likely have some damage to your roof.
What's the next step you should take?
What I recommend for all my clients is to go out and to talk to a trusted contractor to get out there, take a look at it, even get up there with them, have them show you where the damage is. And if they say there is damage, then you probably should take the next step, which is to file the claim.
And how do you know it's a trusted contractor? Because we've seen, this kind of situation come up before where all of a sudden some vagabonds are going through neighborhoods trying to solicit business.
Very good question. And the way to do that, make sure they're local, look how long they've been in business, check out the Better Business Bureau, and just talk to friends and family that have used them before.
Damage to a car is a whole different animal because it is easier to see. Does insurance cover all of that?
Yeah, what a difference a day makes. Just yesterday there was all that damage. Tonight it's beautiful, but what you have to consider is if you have full coverage or more specifically comprehensive coverage. If you don't have comprehensive coverage, you will not get a penny from your insurance company. Oh. And then what you have to realize is look at what your deductible is, because you have to take that off what the insurance company is going to pay to reimburse you.
So if you are covered, what steps should you take to get your car fixed?
Yeah, the adjusters out there, they're definitely busy over the next few weeks. You can bring it to whatever body shop you want and just make sure to call your company. The adjuster will go out, give you an estimate, and then hopefully that'll match up with what the body shop says the damage is for, and you'll be on your merry way.
At the same time, we've heard of some people just pocketing the money and not getting their car fixed, instead stashing the cash in their pocket. Is that legal?
What you want to remember about that, let's say your car is worth $10,000 and you incur $3,000 of hail damage to it and decide to pocket that money. Well, if you don't get that car fixed and you total your car a few months down the road, you're not going to get $10,000. You're just going to get $7,000.
All right. Any final words of advice for our viewers on this process?
Be careful about putting in claims before you absolutely know there is damage, because that can go on your record and that can affect your rates down the road.
Yeah, you don't want that to happen either.
Absolutely.
Okay, we want to remind our viewers, if you have an insurance question for Troy, he's going to be on the Fox 9 Facebook page. You can go to our Facebook page and get in touch with him, and that'll be until 10:30 tonight. Troy Thompson, owner of Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you, Jeff.